Welcome on behalf of the Leland Speed Library. This tutorial will show you how to access and use the library's streaming video collections. From the library's homepage, hover your mouse over the Collections and Resources tab and select Video Collections from the drop-down menu. This link directs you to the Streaming Video Collections LibGuide, which has an easy-to-remember URL, mc.libguides.com/video. In the center of the page are links to the individual collections in our video databases, followed by brief descriptions about the collections. On this list, you'll find videos on a variety of subject areas. Many on this list are provided by the company Alexander Street Press, and you'll notice that name is included in many of the descriptions on this page. Let's take a look at one of these collections, the one titled Counseling and Therapy in Video. In a new window, we're directed to the Counseling and Therapy in Video collection on the Alexander Street Press site. There's a description of the collection, followed by a search box that searches just within this collection. To the left are built-in limiters. These limiters will be different based on whichever collection you have selected. Since we're in the counseling collection, we'll see options to search by a specific therapist, therapeutic approaches, or presenting conditions. In other collections, you'll see different limiters. For example, in the Education and Video collection, you'll see limiters for subjects like teaching methods and classroom management. Selecting from these options conducts a search in that area. In the middle are videos in a results list. The video titles are hyperlinked, and we can see some publication information and part of a description about the video. We can further refine our search by using the Search Within These Results search box, or by using the options on the left-hand side. Just like before, many of these options to refine our results are subject-specific, like School of Therapy. Other limiters are broader, like the Publisher and Date Published options. No matter the collection offered by Alexander Street Press, your search results will be displayed like this and will include limiters to refine your search on the left. To see more about an individual video, select the title. Once you've selected a video, it will begin to play automatically. At the bottom of the video player are options to manipulate the video and change the display. Below the player is publication information about the video, plus links to site, email, or link to the video. On the right side are tabs to see more information about the video, under the Details tab, plus a transcript. The transcript highlights what is currently being said in the video, plus it's interactive. You can select part of the transcript and the video will jump to that portion of the clip. Within any Alexander Street Press collection are options at the top of the page. Select Search All Content on the top left to see a complete list of options. Here you can look at individual collections or search all available content regardless of collections by options like Publisher and Title. There's also a Search All Content box on the top right where you can enter a keyword search. Back on the Streaming Video LibGuide, the next video database we'll look at is Films on Demand. Within Films on Demand, you can use the top search box to conduct keyword searches of individual video segments or clips, video titles, and entire transcripts. Another way you can search is to select the Collections menu to browse by subject, or the Featured Producers section to search by producer. Many on this list of producers will be familiar to you, like PBS, BBC, and TED. Similar to other databases, we can see the individual videos from our search for PBS content in the middle of the page, with some limiters to refine our search on the left. One main thing to note when searching the Films on Demand database is that most videos are divided into segments or shorter clips. By selecting the segments in this video menu, we can see a complete list of these segments. We can select from this menu or click the video title hyperlink. On this page is a video player with a description of the film below, plus options to email and cite the video. On the right side of the page is a tab listing the segments or individual clips within this video. Each segment has a runtime and a brief description. Selecting one of the segments will jump to that section of the video. Under the Transcript tab is a complete transcription of the video, which is also interactive. At the top are options to print the transcript, plus a Search Within feature, as seen here. Back on the Streaming Video Collections LibGuide is information on streaming films on your mobile device, plus links to films required in the Theater 125 course. In this tutorial, you have learned about the library's streaming video collections. If you need further assistance, you can call or text a Speed Librarian. You can also visit our Ask a Librarian page to email your questions or find answers on the Frequently Asked Questions forum.